Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix KB5039211 update not installing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, while updating your Windows 10 or Windows 11, you are seeing the error KB5039211 update not installing. Then I will show you how to fix this issue. The first method is, first you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. If you are using through Wi-Fi, just click on this Wi-Fi and disable your Wi-Fi, or try to disconnect and reconnect it. After doing this, just open your browser and browse any website and check whether if any website is working. After doing this, if your internet connection is working properly, then try the second method. You just need to click on this start menu, then click on settings. After that, you have to find in this troubleshoot, click on this troubleshoot, then click on other troubleshooters. After that, you will find your Windows update. You have to just click troubleshoot for your Windows update. Just click on run, and if there is any problem with your Windows update, then it will fix automatically. After completion of this, just close this window. Then you have to do the last and final method, that is click on start menu, then type your services. Click on the services. In this you need to find Windows update. Just press W key, scroll down. Here you can see Windows update, double click. In this you can see a startup type, you have to select as automatic. Click on apply. Before clicking apply, you have to click on start. After clicking start, click on apply, then click OK. Then close this window and restart your PC. That's it guys, and this way you can fix KB5039211 update installing error. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.